I'm Beverly, and I'm on the witness stand. I don't even know what to say. If you were watching the closings on Friday, you will be just as confused as I am today. Now, the prosecution, Christy Slavitt, gave a brilliant closing. Brilliant. I don't know what happened to the defense, but Diddy paid a whole lot of money for nothing. Slavic took all of the charges and laid them out, explained RICO, explained the predicate charges. Brilliant. I understood everything that she was saying. Everything. It made so much sense. It made so much sense that, when she dropped, or the prosecution dropped those other charges, and we were all worried, didn't need to be, because she had enough predicate charges underneath it, underneath RICO, to support RICO, and she explained it. I'm good. I'm good. I hope they sell baby oil in the commissary, because it's going to make things a whole lot easier for him, if you know what I mean. I don't even know how to explain the defense. Diddy came in looking all... Now, let me explain. I am following someone who is reporting out line by line of what is being said in that courtroom. So I'm telling you based on what that person is writing and commenting and putting out. It's like I'm there. So that's how I feel like I know what's happening. But what I understood was that Diddy came in looking like everything's going to go his way. But as the prosecution laid out their case, he looked like his mind took a detour and left his body. It was priceless. When I heard that, I don't even know what to say. Agnifilio is a top-notch lawyer. I'm going to talk about his fees and what Diddy is reported to have been paying or will pay, or paid up to this date on those lawyers. The Dream Team. Agnifilio, when he got up, he had my face looking like I didn't understand him. There was no continuous thought. There was nothing. I felt like he was taking all these sentences and putting them in the wrong order. And even if you took each sentence by itself, it didn't make sense. I mean, what trial was he in? I kept thinking, if I was paying this guy, and all of these lawyers, when he appeals, I would do it on ineffective counsel. And the thing about it is you would think these lawyers would want it to be like, no way anybody could say they didn't do a good job. But I don't know what Diddy was paying them for. So Agnifilio got up, and he had so much going on that even his shadow was confused. He just needed, to sit back, sip some sweet tea, and reboot that brain like an old dial-up. It was a mess. It was a hot mess. There was no way anybody could follow it. And there was no way that Diddy got his money's worth. Do you know what I mean? But Diddy, Diddy, he's done for. He's cooked. He's cooked like a turkey in a fryer at Thanksgiving. Now, it was said, and from all reports that I can find, it was said that he has spent $10 to $15 million. I just want to break it down because I did. The total legal spending thus far has been $10 to $15 million. Day-to-day trial cost are $100,000 plus. And I don't know if that's for each attorney or if that's just for them all together. But either way, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. In 2 days' time, in North Carolina, you could buy a house. And just what he's spending in 2 days. That's a lot of money. That man has some green, you know. Anyway, retainers per lawyer, per the top lawyers, was $1 million plus. And you know, that retainer, you pay that lawyer, that retainer, and once the fees get there, then you pay everything above it. You just keep dishing that money out. Those retainers were spent the first day. I'm telling you, the first day. And then the hourly rates for these attorneys go anywhere from $700 to $1,600 per hour. And that can be even higher depending on the attorney. Diddy has spent some money, and he has not gotten his money's worth, is all I have to say. And the closing shows it. It's like there were 2 chapters in a book, but they were separate books. Prosecution did a brilliant job. And Monday, they get the rebuttal, so they get the final say. I don't even know how they're going to rebut that closing because it was so damn confusing. And I know that they'll probably say that, but I'll be here for you. In fact, I have a dentist appointment while that's going to be going on, and it's the rebuttal is going to be playing in my ear, in my Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn it up louder than that drill so that when I get out, I can give you point by point. Then the jury gets the instructions, and then it goes to the jury for deliberation. And I'm thinking all of that on Monday, possibly Tuesday, but I think it's going to happen all on Monday. Those instructions are going to be boring again, and I'm probably not going to go through them because they are so boring. But then we're on verdict watch, and I'm here for you. So just keep paying attention to the channel. I will give you all the updates as I can. I am here for you. So if you can't watch everything minute by minute, I'll watch for you. So in the meantime, I will see you on Monday. But just put all this stuff away and have a great Saturday and Sunday because we got to get our mind right for Monday. But I'll be here for you. So in the meantime, have a great weekend and you can step off the witness stand. I'm Beverly, and I'm on the witness stand.